All right, well, we're back at it with the beast. Jared, tell me what you've done to make this thing fly, because we barely got it off the ground last time.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Well, so the first thing I did is I sent an exorcist over to your house in the middle of the night. You didn't even know about that part.
So that's who was bumping around in the dark.
Exactly.
Tell him to use a flashlight next time.
Will do. Number two is really, I think the concerns we had was this was very underpowered.
Yep.
Okay. So we've taken and ordered, well, new fuselages because they were kind of, you know, from the last
They
go
weren't
around.
that bad.
And we've shoehorned in 70 millimeter 11 blade EDFs running on 4 cells instead of 3s.
Oh, those are pretty.
So we've actually exceeded the performance model version of this plane specs.
Yeah.
And on top of that, we've also taken and removed our control surfaces, our servos from the center section here. We were driving 4 servos off of 1 channel, and really we started feeling like we were getting some brownouts, some weird servo action. That's been eliminated as well.
Yeah, the elevator was kind of nuts last time.
The other thing we found too is we watched the video. 4 rudders seemed like produced too much drag.
Yeah.
When we knocked off the inner ones, it flew better. So we're going to keep this configuration that, well, a happy crash, I suppose, helped us learn about.
All right, well, it's a little windy today. What's your prediction?
Well, as long as you take off in a headwind, I think she'll fly just fine. She's got the power now. She's not going to wallow. She's not going to stall out. I think it's going to work really well.
All right, fingers crossed. Wish us luck. We're going to need it. Here goes nothing. Golly, Jared, I tell you what, this thing's got some juice now. Definitely got some pop, especially going into the wind. Going away from it, you start dipping a bit. What do you got? No idea. I've got time for one more pass for you.
Okay. Can you do not break the room to further outwards?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, that aileron clip you saw earlier, I was interesting. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Are you trying to show off a little high off there?
Sure. Yeah. Let's power. She doesn't bleed speed off, though. I tell you. Double the map. Okay, my depth perception's off a little. Let's go get her. I thought it was over the runway. Okay. Well, compared to the last flight, this thing flew really well. I kind of misjudged the runway. First time out here in probably 4 months, and where'd they go? Took off some of our four-wheel drive, but if you look at it, spot of glue, she's back up and flying again, and that is the only damage I'm seeing on the entire model, which is amazing. We did see some aileron glitching, mostly when I tried to do that inverted flight for Wyatt's sake, because he likes it so much. At least that's when it kicked off. But this thing's gonna be back up and flying again today. Let's see. I've got a battery checker here. Let's see what she did. We are at, other side of this. Other side. There we go. We're at 18% after 3.5 minutes. And that's off a 2200 Gens Ace 4 cell. So actually more power efficient than I expected that she would be as well. Jared, well done. Yay! It's a winner. Keep flying.
Well, I'd say it flew pretty darn well.
Yeah, much better than twin storage.
Yeah, we've been, admonished by our fans not to do a twin F-15. How do you feel about a bunk plane? Biplane?
It's not a twin.
F-15s?
It's not a twin, so it counts, right?
That's right.
All right, let's make this happen.